Thakura Doyara Sagara Vedase Koruna Kori.
Oh He Vaishnava Thakura Dayara Sagara Vedase Karuna Kori.
Jaya Vegadami Jaya Dosa Sodhi
Jaya Vegadami Jaya Dosha Shodhi
Jaya Guna Deho Dhase
Jaya Guna Deho Dhase
Jaya Sangha Deho Re Amare Dehi Sanghe Rahase
Jaya Satsanga Dehoye Amare Vasiti Sanghe Rayasha.
Ohe Vaishnava Sakura Doyara Sakara Dase Koruna Kori.
Oye Vaishnava Thakura Dayara Sagara Hidase Karuna Kori.
Yogi Amara Nahi Pai Varo Harinama Sankirtane.
Oye Yogi Amara Nahi Paya Varo Harinama Sankirtane.
Tumi Kripa Kori Shraddha Bindu Diya.
Tumi Kripa Kori Shraddha Bindu Diya.
Deha Krishna Namadhane.
Deha Krishna Namadhane.
Krishna se tomara Krishna dite para tomara sakha kiyache.
Krishna se tomara Krishna dite paro tumhara shakti aache.
Amito Ganga Krishna Krishna boli.
Ami to Ganga Krishna Krishna boli.
Dai Dava Pache Pache.
Dai tava pache pache.
Ohe Vaishnava Thakura Doyara Sagara Vedase Koruna Kori.
Oye Vaishnava Thakura Dayara Sagara Vedase Karuna Kori.
Yatava Paya Soda Hai Amare Tumhara Charana Gauri.
Yara Shayana Shodhaye Amare Tumhara Charana Dori.
Jayo Vaishnava
Jaya Krishna Thakur Jaya Krishna Thakur Krishna Thakur Jaya Krishna Jaya Vaishnava Thakur Jaya Vaishnava Thakur Krishna Thakur Jaya Vaishnava Thakur. Who will sing? You sing? Krishna Priya, Chaitanya Priya, Kanta. Okay, Prabhu, sing.
What page is page 40? Page 40 in the yellow book. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
गोकुल तारुणी मंडल मंचे
गोकुल तारुणी मंडल मयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
राधे
महाराज की शिलानाम प्रज्ञान केशव गोपाल साई महाराज की गुरुवर्ग की हरिनाम संकीर्तन की गौर प्रेमानंद ओके
ज्ञानाञ्जना शलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामीति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवं गौरवाणी प्रसारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी भज्यत्यादिशतारिणे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। श्रील भक्तिवेदांत भगवान महाराज की जय। कृष्णावत ठाकुर की जय। So, the path of love, the path of bhakti is not a straight line. It's always crooked line, ups and downs, like the thing that we experience day. He was waiting for Srila Bhaktivedanta Van Maharaj today since 1 month ago. Every day was 1 day less. And in the last moment, last night, Vilas Manjari was very worried because she has to prepare everything. She was going to the market to buy all the spices, and in the last moment, Jamuna Didi was calling, "Do you have the dal?" And she just took the picture and sent everything that was prepared. But the mind, he was worried. So, Manasa Deho Keho Goki Chimu. The first thing that we have to control is the mind. If the mind is not controlled, not possible to practice yoga or to practice Krishna consciousness. Therefore, the first process is to control the mind. How to control the mind? By engage the mind in the lotus feet of the service of the Vaishnavas, the Guru, Krishna. And by doing that, then we do our service without expecting the particular result. Like I was talking to her and I said, well, you are very attached to the service that you're doing. And then in the last moment, Gurudev says, probably I will be cancer. Then she was crying and then doesn't know what to do and then almost give up everything. Says, no, that's not the way. The way is that you do it of the Lord. So, and then Geho, Griha means my house, my wife, my husband, my children, everything I should engage in the process of serving Guru and Vaishnavas. And by that process, then we can obtain the highest benefit, that is, first, the association with the pure devotees. Maybe we can chant in many rounds. Maybe you can do a very beautiful puja. Maybe you're doing the most beautiful practices of yoga. But all these things has to have the most important ingredient, that is the association with the devotee of the Lord. Why? Because in this moment we cannot see Krishna himself. But Krishna manifests himself in the form and in the embodiment of Guru. And by having the darshan of Guru and by serving Guru and the Vaishnava, then Krishna will accept us as servants. We was listening in the car how the Vaishnavas, how the Sis Goswamis, they behave. They was chanting 64, 1 lakh or 2 lakhs of rounds. They don't eat, they don't even drink water after finish all the rounds, 64 rounds. Then they was going and give thousands of pranams to the different places. Then they can take some prasad. So our sadhana cannot be compared with them. And then, but by doing that real sadhana, what was the aim? To obtain the association of the devotee. And with the association of the devotee, then Krishna will manifest himself in the form of the Harikatha that is emanating from his lotus mouth. So the real service is to sit down and lend our ears to listen the nectar and the flow of the Harikatha that will enter into our hearts, and then they will eradicate all the anarthas. Because we have anarthas, all of us have different types of anarthas. And those anarthas are the impediment and the obstacles that don't allow us to obtain Prem Bhakti. But by sitting down and listening to the words of the Vaishnava, that Harikatha has the power of cleaning our heart and cut the knot that is attaching our heart to the material desires. And then the flow of bhakti, it's like a current. But it's never a straight line. It's always crook. To increase our desire, our hunger. Hare Krishna.
ओम सदाकया चक्षुर्मितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालयै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat pranams, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all of Vaishnava. Your name, Prabhu?
Nitai Charan Das.
Nitai Charan Das. Nice name. Actually, today also all you are very tired. Is it, you know? We wake up 2 a.m. or 2:30 a.m. Then we prepare to come to airport. Then everything happen. Lord is very merciful. He is giving mercy to us. Because bhakti, doing this way, bhakti gives two things. I tell you. That is called, one is called utkantha and avish. Utkantha means eagerness. You understand? Eagerness. Avish means absorption. These two things. In this material world, materialistic people, Visai, what they are absorbed, to have to collect money. These things also absorb. If you do any business, you have to absorb your business. This is what you have to give to attention of your business. This is what. And day and night think how to develop your business. If you not give the attention of your business, then your business never will be increased. So that is called actual absorption. Utkantha, eagerness, how to get. In the same way, our in spiritual life, you have to give intense in two things. About how to get association of sadhu, sadhu sangha. Because bhakti manifests in our heart only with the association of pure devotee of Lord. Suddha Bhakti. Sadhu Sangha, Sarvashastri koi. Lavamatra Sadhu Sangha, Sarvasiddhi. Or Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everywhere glorifies about the association of sadhu sangha. One moment, half moment you associate to sadhu, then you achieve your perfect sangha. What is meaning of sadhu sangha? Sangha means association. Actual Sangha means Sammak Rupena Gamanam. Sammak means direct. If you follow the footsteps of sadhu. What is the footsteps of sadhu? First, listen Hari Katha. Understand? Without listening Hari Katha, your heart will be never purified. Because Hari Katha is non-different from Sri Hari. You are listening Hari Katha. That means Krishna himself entered in your ears and coming in your heart and remove all your doubts first. Because conditioned soul, they have many kinds of doubts. These things. But Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Viddante hridayangranti siddhante sarva samsaya. If you associate sadhu, then all your doubts will be destroyed. And mind will be calm and quiet and peacefulness. Because conditioned soul, many kinds of doubts. Many things coming. This is true or this is not. Conditioned soul means there are 5 what is it called? Faults. Pancha dosha. Pancha chatur dosha. So are 4 patos. 4 faults. What is the 4 faults? Who do you know? That's all. Who knows?
Make mistakes.
Bhram, Pramad, Vipralipsan, Karma. Jayavadhan Bhaktivan Thakur is saying. Bhram means
Illusion.
illusion. What is the illusion? Which is not true, sometimes also coming that true. Just give an example when you drive the car, midday. You can see the sunshine also reflect in the road. You are thinking that's 5 meters in front of your car, the waves of water. Actually on the road, no water. The rays of the sun, creates the reflection, and this illusion coming. Look like water, it's not water. So conditioned soul means these types of these things that creates the Bhram illusion. So first our illusion, this bodily conception. I am this body. If I ask you, who are you? Who are you?
Balaram.
Balaram. Who is Balaram? This body or your soul?
Jiva.
This body, this name has given, the body concept. What is the name of the soul? You don't know. Have you seen your soul? No. How is he? And 5 meters or 10 meters? Wide or long? Tall? Where is he staying? In which part of the body is he staying?
In the heart.
In
the heart.
In the heart. No.
No.
Where is the soul? You don't know. But only you know this body. This is true. Because I am looking this body. Illusion. The actual Shastra is saying no. Soul resides this body is working. This first is. But where is the soul? How to know through him? Where is he doing? This is the question. So first is coming illusion about this body. For this bodily conception has come. This is called Bhram. Silver, very glittering. But one kind of, what is called? Snail. You know snail?
Snails. Shell.
Cells.
Shell.
Cell. Very white color. That look like that the silver. Rajato. Bhram. You are the Rajat means you are thinking that is the silver. Actually that was not silver, that is the
Shell.
Luster of the shell.
this thing. In the same way, this Bhram coming, illusion coming in this body. Not so easy. We are saying, I am soul. But why the soul? Very difficult question. So conditioned soul means first this is called illusion of Brahma. Pramad means so much intoxicated to enjoy the sense gratifications. All we know in this material world, all we are the three folds of Maya suffering. And still we also all enjoy the sense gratifications coming to Vipralipsa, that is called cheating, propensity coming. Our Karnapatam means all our senses not properly working. Our eyes not properly working. And one day we cannot see. Without glasses, I cannot see also. Someday, after a few days, few months, few years, then you cannot also properly listen. Understand? Listen. Then, after a few hours, you cannot take breathe also. Smell not coming. But Shastra saying, when your nose not working, getting the smell, that time you think within 6 months will be leave the body. These symptoms. If you this is very important because this nose will direct this breathe direct connection to our heart. If you not getting the smell good or bad, that means what? After 6 months, Haribol. Because this is symptom giving. Our Shastra saying this. Why is it? Because all our senses, that is called not perfect. So now comes the but Atma soul, the Italian translation. Atma soul has also eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs, everything. Soul resides this body also there. But you don't know about him. How is he? How is he beautiful? You are looking every day your reflection on your mirror. When you take the tilak, you put it, looking on you. But a very nice, beautiful form of the soul who resides in this body. Just he says, first, where is living? He is saying heart. Where is living our soul? Which part of body? Soul resides? Do you know? I tell you. Soul actually resides in the 3 places of this body. According to Vedanta Darshan, soul resides in this body, 3 parts of the body. When you are wake up, that time soul resides in your eyes. Now soul, where is that? Now?
In the eyes.
In the eyes. And sometimes left, sometimes right. Soul resides. And when you are completely deep sleep, and that time soul resides in your heart. And that's called Hidaya come out. And that time it will be. And when you are not complete sleep and not complete also wake up, that time soul resides in your throat. This is our Vedanta also explains this. But soul is very, very minute, molecular. But you cannot see the soul with your material eye. Areva atma drashtabha shruttabha nididhyasi. Upanishad explain, try to realize about him. How to realize about him? Just running chant of the holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is the process. And all the nature of the soul inside, you have everything. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem, Saddha Kabunai, Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Karaha Uday. The love inside your heart. You have everything. But you don't know. You are searching other places. Where places you are searching? You are searching, my mother will give love, my wife will give love, my father will give love, my sons will give love, my daughter will give love. Actually, where is the love? Or who will give love to you? Love in your heart. Just you realize yourself. Everything inside your heart, but you are going here and there. Chaitanya they give an example as like deer. You know deer? You don't know deer?
Forest deer.
Venado.
Deer, yeah.
Venado.
Deer. Huh? Deer, in their navel coming one kind of that is called the musk coming. You know?
Smell.
Musk. Smell coming. Sweet.
Fragrance.
Sweet fragrance coming. That Sanskrit word is called mrigo nabi. In the navel, very sweet smell comes. That is it. But they are sometimes completely what? Pure. Sweet smell coming from his own navel, but he is running here and there.
Looking for
He does not know. Where is the source of the
sweet
sweet smell? Actually, sweet smell coming from his own navel. Musk coming, you know?
musk.
Musk.
Perfume.
Perfume, coming here. Perfume now.
Not
He said
perfume.
perfume. The smell come. The Sanskrit word that is called mrigo. What is it called? Mrigo nabe, musk. Just I told. But he is running. What direction is air coming, wind coming? He is thinking maybe that side will come. Who is running there? Then again return back. Actual inside on his own navel. In the same way, you have everything. No need to run here and there. But conditional soul running here and there. Where will get love? That's Prabhuji he told. What is the love? Who know about love? We all will want love. Because love is very sweet love. Who does not want love? Only 2%, they don't want love. But who are 2%? Impartialists, they are saying they don't want love. They want to bring Brahma, Aham Brahmasmi. Impartialists, Mayavadi, Advaitavadi, they say, I am Brahma. So they don't inquire about love. Or second, who does not want love? Second person? Crazy. He is crazy. You understand? Everybody wants love. But where is the love? Love in your inside everything. Just you inquire yourself and associate with sadhu, do bhajan and sadhana. Just to give an example, ghee inside the milk. But in your eyes you cannot directly see the ghee. If you want to see the ghee inside the milk, need some process. What the process?
Heat the milk.
Bring the pure milk, then transfer in yogurt, then churn, then butter will come, then you can get the ghee. In the same way, if you want to know about the love inside your heart, that the process, what is called? Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, Prem, Sneha, Man, Pranarag, Anurag, Mahabhav, many things come in this. Everything you have, just you associate with sadhu and listen Harikatha, then your Shraddha. This Shraddha means faith, transcendental faith. That is called the last fraction of prayer. You understand? Then this Shraddha is coming. So first year Rupa Goswami Pad explain how to attain the prayer. Na? What is it? Adu Shraddha. Adu means in the beginning, faith. But Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad saying Adu Sadhu Sangha has to be associated with sadhu. Because if you listen Harikatha from the lotus feet of sadhu or guru, then your faith will come. That is called spiritual faith. Paramarthiki Shraddha. What did he say? Paramarthik Shraddha. Spiritual. Spiritual faith will come. Transcendental faith will come. What is the transcendental faith, spiritual faith? If I do bhajan and sadhana to Krishna, then my life will be successful. Shraddha sabde vishwas kahe shudra nischay Krishna bhakti kaile sarva karma krita. If I do bhajan sadhana to Krishna, then my life will be successful. Sarva karma krita. I have done everything. So these types of faith is called Paramarthiki Shraddha. This Paramarthika spiritual faith more increased. Then that time is called Attantiki Shraddha. What did he say? What is meaning Attantiki? Firm faith. Do or this life I have to do bhajan and sadhana. If my body cut in pieces, I will not give up. Khanda khanda hai yadi deha pran tatapi badane na chhadiba harinam. If my body cut in pieces, I will not give up. Haridas Thakur. You know Haridas Thakur? What is the name?
I'm sorry?
Who is Haridas Thakur?
No, I've heard that before.
Haridas Thakur, he was born in Muslim family. So Muslim, they told Haridas, why you are taking the name of Hindu's name? Why you are chanting Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram Chandra? Hare Krishna, Hare Chandra. You chant Allah Khuda. But Haridas Thakur told, is there difference between Allah or there difference between Hare Krishna? Lord's innumerable name. No, you have to chant Allah Allah. Khuda. But Haridas Thakur told, no, I will chant Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That time they are Muslim, they have to bitterly beat him. 22 markets, they bitterly beat him. But Haridas Thakur told, if my body cut in pieces, I will not give up. Khanda khanda jadi deha pran tathapi badamne na chhadibo Krishna naam. We cannot do this. If your any little bit problem will come, first you give up for things. What will give up? First take your Thakurji and throw in the water. If anything happen, inauspiciousness will come. Then you take your Thakurji and throw the water. Hey, Thakurji is not good. For this regard, this inauspiciousness. A second, what do you give up? Give up Guru. Hey, this Guru is bekar. You can, but you cannot give up your anger, growth. Eh? Are give up your first what things?
Anger.
Anger. Eh? Anger we cannot give up. Eh? So further Rupa Goswami path, Bhakti, or the Upadesamrita of nectar of instruction. First slok is what? Vacho vegam manasa krodha vegam jiya vegam udarapasta vegam etan vegam jo vishate dhira sarvam pimam prithivim. Hey, you have to control the 6 urges of your senses. First you control the urges of your speech. Speech. Urges of the speech. Draupadi Sita Devi teaching to us Ramayana and Mahabharata. Draupadi, she also could not control the urges of her speech. For this is a big Mahabharata coming. Mahabharata. Big fight coming. Sita Devi, she also used many harsh words to Lakshman. The big Ramayana coming. Ramayana coming, Ramayana Mahabharata coming for this regard also. That's the same reason. You have to control the urges of your speech. That's called Vacho Vegam. Manasa Vegam. Have to control the urges of your mind. Because mind is very flickering. But you have to control your mind. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Krishna says also. You have to control your mind. Because mind is the king of all our senses. Understand this? Control the mind. Vacha Vegam Manasa Krodha Vegam. Vacha Vegam Manasa Krodha Vegam. Krodha Vegam means the control the urges of your anger. Understand? Anger is as like fire. Very quick also. Rising and spread and
Destroying everything.
destroy it and transfer in ashes. Burn and transfer in ashes. Sometimes you angry, I don't know, you are angry with whom? And taking everything and throwing. Sometimes anger, who has no anger? Religion. Angry will become angry. Anger comes. Shastra says no. You have to control your anger. This is very important. So Rupa Goswami says, Pacha Vegam, Manaso Krodha Vegam, Jiha Vegam. Control the urges of your tongue. What is the urges of tongue? Two things. One, eat and also speak. Very
Harsh.
no. Speak very short. Not speak too much.
Less is more.
Less is more. This is very important. And if you speak too much, blah 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 blah, then big problem will come. Smita Bhasi, our Shastra explain Vaishnava qualification, one qualification that is called Mrita Bhasi. Mrita Bhasi means Vaishnava speaks the truth and very short. But Harikatha speaking more. Understand? This is very important. So Vacha Vegam, Manasa Krodha Vegam, Jiha Vegam, Udara Vegam. The urges of your stomach. Eating too much, then problem. You cannot sleep also. Upastha Vegam, control the urges of your genital. So in this way, Rupa Goswami path explain if you do bhajan and sadhan, this thing, then come chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So just as you explain, sadhu sangha, nam sankirtan. This is our essence of life. This life will associate with sadhu and chant holy names. Sadhu sangha means Hari Katha. Not other Katha, not Gramma Katha, not mundane talks. chant holy names. This is very important. Eh? Then automatically everything in your heart, just you also have. Reveal yourself. Eh? You have everything. Open your heart. Eh? Then realization. Cheto darpanam marjanam bhava mahadavag nirvapanam Sriya Kairava Chandrika Vidaranam Vidyabhuru Jivanam Anandam Mudi Vardhanam Pratipadam Puranam Mritasadanam Sarvasmatsanapanam Param Vijayati Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Nam Sankirtan. And if you chant holy names, then automatically everything is revealed in your heart. Everything. And in this life, just chant holy names. So for this types of Shraddha, in this life, I will only chant holy names. And this is called Attantiki Shraddha. And firm faith is. For this regard, only I am saying these words. You have to take vow in your life. What is that? Never give up Guru or never give up
Harinam.
Huh? Huh? So this is very important. Never give up Guru and never give up Gaur Premanandi. Bolo Govinda Bolo Hari Gopalo Bolo
Govinda Bolo Hari Gopala Bolo.
Oh Govinda Bolo Hari Gopala Bolo. Govinda Bolo Hari Gopala Bolo. Bolo Hari Gopala Bolo.
Govinda Bolo
Hari Gopala Bolo. Adhara Anagiri Giridhari
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Jai Shri
Shri
Radhe
Radhe.
Jai Jai
Shri
Okay, to Arati. Very tired. Huh? Many hours. So Arati, then take prasad. Huh? If you have any questions, then tomorrow we'll ask.
Any questions tomorrow you can ask.
Huh? You have many questions. For tomorrow. Shiva Jaya Jaya Gurachandri Arati Kasubha Shiva Jaya Jaya Gurachandri Arati Kasubha Hare Jannavi Tata जय श्री राधे
श्याम
जय श्री सुगंधर विकार गिरिधारी श्री राधा विनोद बिहारी जीव
की जय।
जय श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की
जय।
जय चंद्रा कृष्ण विष्णु भक्ति वेदांत सद्भावन गोस्वामी महाराज
की जय।
नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज
की जय।
भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी
महाराज की जय।
वाद साई महाराज
की जय।
श्री गोविंद गोस्वामी महाराज
की जय।
सिद्धार्थ कृष्ण उत्तम पुरी गोस्वामी
महाराज की जय।
हरिनाम संकीर्तन
की जय।
नित्यानंद प्रभु गौर प्रेमानंद
नंदे हरि हरि
ओम वृंदावै
तुलसी देवाय प्रिया
वै केशवस्य च
कृष्ण भक्ति वददेवी नमो नमः च कृपा सिन्धुवेव च ज्ञानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। देव की जय।
महाप्रसाद की
जय।
श्रीपाद भक्तिवेदांत महाराज
की जय।
Tomorrow what is the program?
Tomorrow morning in the morning, Mangalarti, 4:30. 5 o'clock. And then yes.